Hey, so I just wanted to thank everyone for watching my mukbang video yesterday with some donuts and that delicious coffee. Thank you for indulging me. If you watch it, if you haven't watched, check it out. It's just me 15 minutes talking about why you should shoot with an iPhone. And I wanted to make this video today to tell you guys to leave me comments about questions or videos you may want to see, because that video was stemmed on from a comment that was left to me last Friday on a short film video I made. And I wanted to get to it because a lot of people always ask me like, oh, can I shoot with my iPhone? Can I shoot with a phone? So I felt like that, I just wanted to let it all out there, like shoot with anything. So I'd say, I guess my point is just leave more comments. Let me know what you guys want to see. It inspires me to make more videos and kind of give you a little more behind the scenes access to, I guess the life of a content creator, behind the scenes of a comedy content creator. This is my little edit station right here. Don't want to show you too much, because then you see the secrets. But you got some good videos coming out this week if you're a fan of Michael's videos or Jimmy's videos. Well, you maybe not though. I don't want to give anything too much away. But you might have some good videos coming out. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to see. Leave some more comments on that mukbang video. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. It's just me riffing and eating donuts for 15 minutes. And I'm gonna give you a little preview taste if you haven't. It's a day old donut. I always take bites of my food and leave it. Extra crunchy, extra ripe. That's how you know it's gonna be tight. All right, guys, I gotta watch my weight and start. Maybe my next mukbang will be salad or something, or not. Maybe I'll just do something crazy. Let me know what you want to see in my next mukbang. What should I eat next if I do one? Who knows? Maybe I'll just end up becoming a mukbang channel. Yeah. All right, guys, gotta get back to editing, but just wanted to say hi. Hopefully you all having a wonderful day. And yeah.